Today we will be creating foil reliefs. Come on in, let's start. So gather some supplies first. You'll need a piece of cardboard, scissors, possibly a pencil if you want to draw your design first, a spray adhesive like a spray glue, aluminum foil, string or yarn, and some permanent markers. Begin by spraying your piece of cardboard first with the glue. I'm going to put a mat underneath so I don't get the spray all over the table. I'm using an Elmer's spray adhesive, which is like a spray-on glue. Now you can take the yarn and lay down the string to create a line design. Now, if you'd like to draw beforehand and follow your guidelines, do the drawing on the cardboard before you spray it. I'm just going to create a design using the string. I'm going to create a shape such as a heart and divide my board into different sections. Now just be gentle when you're pressing it down. It might move a little bit and get on your fingers. So just gently tap the top. Once we put the foil on top, it'll keep it in place even better. Now that my design is finished, I'm going to spray glue again over top. Cover the whole area. Make sure you get all of the string. And then I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil to make sure that it's going to cover the entire board. And I'm just going to lay the foil directly over top, right in the center, and gently press down, starting to feel for the pieces of yarn that you'll see start to show through. I'm going to flip it over and just pull out the mat so it doesn't get stuck to that. And then just keep pressing, revealing all of your lines. Just do it gently, make sure you don't tear the foil. And then you can go ahead and flip it over and put a little spray glue around the edges that hang over and just fold them back onto the board. And then you'll be ready to add some color using permanent markers. Now, if you're using a pointed marker like I am, you might want to hold it to the side at an angle so you can get a broader line to color it in. And just watch that you don't dig into the foil with the really sharp tip.